It's January the 4th, 2022, my first visit to East Kirkby this year. The last time I was here was the 16th of December.
Yeah, so this one went on the back end of last year. I'm just trying to put this one on now this morning, so... Oh yeah, I was doing the... Yeah, they're all done now, so... Put this on, like I say, in December, and then that one's going on now, and then that's pretty much it. But apparently the formers are coming tomorrow, so
Yeah.
Yeah. So
What, the formers or the...
Yeah, the formers, the frames, yeah, they're coming tomorrow. So,
Yeah.
So hopefully, if they do, they'll get cracking on then. So.
Yeah. This is Phil handiwork around the doorway. John, I believe, has finished making good the wing jig. The Lancaster still needs a winter annual inspection and service. The wingtips moved out of harm's way, but they still require the navigation perspex lens cover before painting and then fitting to the Lancaster, ready for next season's taxi run. Number 2 fuel tank bay. Some of the covers around the straps that hold the fuel tank in place have been removed for painting, stripping and inspection. Any damage will be repaired or replaced.
A lot of people, when they think of wing, they expect the spar to be a big girder, effectively.
This was taken from video 125. It was part 2 of Andrew's talk on the restoration of the Lancaster.
It's made up of 4 booms, so the rear spar, for example...
Andrew was talking about the wing spars of the Lancaster. I received a comment from CRS in the USA asking me to ask Andrew how they worked out the lifetime of a wing spar. Actually, this is what he wrote. Andrew was talking about the wing spar section being replaced based upon the flight hours on them. Is this based upon a peacetime non-bombing load hours or a wartime full loaded hours? So I put this to Andrew.
It's actually about 4,000 hours, and then the one with the highest life is the front top boom, which is 5,500, something like that, 6,000 hours. Well, when BBMF started flying their Lanka game, British Aerospace had to look at lives on it and how they'd work it out. So they worked it out really on Shackleton. It's a very similar spar, similar boom, slightly different material. And at that time, Shackleton was in service and starting to come out of service, and it had obviously done a lot more hours than Lancaster had.
Yeah.
So British Aerospace, who took over from Avro, of course, were just working out the life from Shackleton. So it's not known whether the hours life they've put on it is really short or right at the maximum that it can be, but there's a certain amount of conservatism in it, if you like, in the fact that they looked at a figure and divided it by 2 rather than going right to the edge of the life they expect. So, but yeah, it's not an original life thing put on by Avros. It's
one which came on
1970s calculation by British Aerospace.
Yeah, so it's kind of a little bit hit and miss. It just
Yeah,
goes
it's-
divided by 2 to give it a
It's
good
very
margin.
much on the side of safety, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, right. Thank you.
Okay.
Skin off, I'm taking off that sort of, it's a skin joining section there.
Oh, you take it, that's what you're removing, is
Yeah,
it?
so there would have been a skin in the middle there, and then that skin there is joined with a piece that's riveted to that frame there. And it's an angle about that, well, about that wide with a little flange on the top.
Yeah.
But it's all, everything's corroded and damaged.
Because that's where the third tank is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Les is providing all the background noise this morning, cleaning parts of the French wing that have been removed.
Right in and out a lot. I'm in there one position.
Hopefully in the next video we'll have the start of the manufacture of the formage which they will be making here at East Kirtley. Hopefully the wingtip will be fitted for the start of this year's taxiway.